Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to create survey form or questionnaire form in by using Google Docs or Google Form. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on. First, Google Drive. Just open your Google Drive or log in with your account, and now you can create form from here. Just click on New and you can create form here. If you want to create form from Google Docs, so just go to the file and okay, click on file, go to the new, and here you can see the option called Google Form. So guys, Google Form and Google Docs are different services. Google Docs you can use for the for your templates, your it's like Microsoft Word. But if you want to create the form for survey or questionnaire, so you can create form, or you can directly go from here from Google Form. So the form will be open. So whatever you create, Google Docs, Google File, Google Form, Google Slide, it will be saved in Google Docs only, Google Drive only. Okay. So just go to the form. The same. I just you can see the same form has been created. So I just create this form. Now you can change the name like survey form, whatever you want. Survey form. Okay, you can give the description survey for YouTuber, whatever you want. Okay, just now add the question, what is your YouTube channel name? Okay, so for that the answer need in short. Okay, so just go here and select short answer. By default it's select a short answer. It is, I think, here. Yeah, short answer. And you can made it. Okay, you can made it mandatory, so just click on required. So these answers should be mandate, so people have to answer this. Now you can add another answer from here. What is your age? So for that also we need short answer, so you can choose the short answer from here. Okay, so yeah, long answer, short answer, whatever you want, you can select. Okay, there is a one option which is called short answer. It is not visible here. I think there is some problem in my form. So just select the short answer from here. It will be upside like this. Okay, so select the short answer for this question. So you can also select the multiple choose. Okay, if there is a question like uh, uh, if there is a question for the multiple choose, you can select the multiple choose answer. Or there like Dropbox, you can upload the file. Okay, so after you create form, you can preview from here. So it will be preview like this. Now go to the response, and here you have to create the Excel sheet to get the survey response, or you can say questionnaire response. So create new survey spreadsheet. Here just create the spreadsheet has been created. So this is spreadsheet created. You can go to the drive and check this spreadsheet which is created. So just scroll down. Okay, let it load first. Go to the recent. Here will you can see. Okay, this is file and this is form. You will create this form, and this is a response file where we'll get the response. Okay, now just come to the survey form again and come to the questions. Now you can send it. Just click on it. Okay, you can send via email. You can send the email. You have to write the email ID here and you can send it, or you can send the via link. Just short the link and just copy the link, and you can share this link on WhatsApp Messenger whenever. Or if you want to enable this form on any website, so this is enable code. if you are developing any website, that you can insert the form in this. Okay, so if you want to share, you can share on my link. Okay, so whenever you people fill this form, survey form or questionnaire, you will get the response in this Excel sheet, which is available in Google Drive only. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.